So it's about 6 o'clock and I'm just walking into the forest now to go to the skywalk. It's still pretty dark in here, although it's brighter than what the video is. You can hear birds everywhere. There's one right in front of me walking away. I think those are lyrebirds. The amount of spider webs I've walked on this, that I've walked through, is ridiculous. I haven't really done any field recordings yet because you can hear the highway off in the background a little bit. But I kind of wish I brought my recorder with me now. I left it in the car because they're loud enough that it probably wouldn't matter too much. They sound amazing, like a laser or something. I don't know. Hopefully this microphone picks up a decent amount of the sound that you can hear what I'm talking about. There's a lot of bush turkeys around, or at least I'm pretty sure that's what they are. But they don't make as interesting a sound. There's one right now. Oh wow. You can just see, because the sun is just rising now, like every now and then you can see the rays of sunlight coming through and like lighting up certain areas of the forest. Wait, what's this tree called? Sloanea woolsii, yellow Caribbean. That's what those trees are. I better. These trees with those really interesting roots. Yellow Caribbean. There we go. Yeah, a bit like that. That's kind of what I mean. Yeah. I'd make an alright photograph actually. I still feel a little bit dry in that though. Had a few beers last night. I mean, it was my birthday, so I would have had beers anyway, probably. But I was leaving the forest yesterday afternoon, and some Italian and Belgian tourists came up to me as I was charging my phone. Wow, that was really close. They're really hard to see though. It's still a bit too dark to take a photo of them. Yeah, so I stayed with them for a bit, cooked up, or they cooked up some sandwiches and stuff for me. I had one, which is nice of them. And yeah, they're pretty cool people. So yeah, I'm nearly there.
blue at the moment because I just had a nap on top of my car at a rest stop just before Ballina. I didn't, just trying to think, this was the last video I did. It was probably in the place I was at. Think of it in a second. Doriga, that's it. Yeah, my camera batteries are sort of low, so I have to probably use this for a little bit because I can charge this, but I'm failing to be able to charge my camera batteries. If I want to get to Byron, I should find a PowerPoint somewhere and remedy that. Really nice drive though. Like once I got past Grafton, it was all pretty boring motorway until Grafton. I stopped off at Emerald Beach though, and that was really good. That was a lot better than I thought it would be. I was just like, oh yeah, I might stop off at a beach just to see what it's like. Emerald Beach sounds pretty good. It's really good. Like, yeah, I will definitely go back there someday. I would have had a swim too, but I kind of wanted to make a bit better time. I'm going to go swimming later in Byron. But yeah. I'm going to head off now, I think. Now that I'm feeling a little bit more awake than I was before. Probably still think I'm not that awake, and I'm not, but I literally only just woke up from a nap, so now I'm starting to get a little bit more energy about me, so it'll be good.